Custom Dragon 1/6 Scale World War II Dieppe 1942 German.
Shut up! I'm Felix and I'm a seaman in the Kriegsmarine. This video is about me.
Item number 70239, Scale 1.6, Barcode 089195702395, Release date July 2003, Last update July 14, 2003, Series World War II German. This is a very rare figure. It's not easy to find nowadays. As usual, I like to improve my figures, and this was no exception. This figure appears to have been inspired by the magazine German Soldiers of World War II, and a photo of a naval infantryman of the time taken in Dieppe in 1942. The sea bag has the same description as the sea bag in the example in the magazine, Lubka, I think it's a nickname, and 28S39. The original figure comes with a pullover as underwear, but I thought it would be a good idea to replace it with a sailor shirt. This sailor shirt is Russian. Please don't tell anyone. I did this because I saw examples found on the internet. This figure was purchased incomplete. So I decided to use what I had in stock to improve it. The helmet is from the Wehrmacht. The difference is the eagle has to be golden. I used a gold marker to repaint it. The rest of the equipment is German Army standard at the time. The bread bag should be felt gray, but I used one from the Luftwaffe while I don't have a more correct one available. The weapon is a KR-98. This weapon was acquired with a broken tip. I managed to recover, and this is the result. He has his side cap attached to his belt. Let's see what he looks like without the helmet. It has a very nice head sculpt. It's already an example of the improvements to Dragon's head sculpt made over the years. I don't think I have more to say about this figure. See you next time, and thank you for watching the video.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.